In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause recording in OBS. So the first way to do this is you can go into OBS itself and just manually press this pause button here. Now, this can be useful, but it's not all that useful if you're doing something, if you haven't got the window open as well. So the second way to do it is to go into Settings, go to Hotkeys, and then go down to the pause recording thing here. Now for me, I have my pause recording button as inserts, because this is a button that I don't ever press. And it's good to do that in case you accidentally press it while you're streaming and you pause and you don't realize. So set your pause recording button here. Make sure you have unpause set as well. Apply and click OK. And then you want to, when you're streaming or whatever, if you want to pause, you can press that button and it's going to pause your recording. And that's how you do it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Thank you for watching.